about putting a very, very strong performance, collective and individually, to earn the right to win the semi-final. Independent as well in.
Yes, I know I kakra manager Fanasa Mikel Arteta na Otesa ya dene excepts Emma ya Jeff and pay and some I was shown also I know I gamer I was a boss and watching my manager Fanasa I Thomas Tuchel or no and an opposite number and Mikel Arteta now manager Fanasa Tuchel so say one of the what 3 year pass among for him dada say Premier League in the and I say Bundesliga no I Leverkusen anaje now obi anum say Montemba Leverkusen aboy no woman say na mom sa wo hwe Bamuchin our league ni mu ankoye na so ba the Champions League wo ma ba do quarter final anadwi wey aye last hurdle omo betumi across and some na dey akwa the semis na chese Montembo our semi finals aye pa na o se ade ba akwa wo se na Bamuchin anya mfa so fru so ni say ye wo players no mu bi e wo Bamuchin ebi match Champions League ni bi da ebi mu so ade trouble eda we dey compare Arsenal a nipa me nipa na se ka have tane Jorginho wo mom ana kita bi muda na so Bamuchin from no yanom ni Joshua Kemechenom ane chase ade se Thomas Muller nom ni nyina no wo mo so ahu ni nyina bi pentinai sa experience no enom ana wo se enya so banfa so edema Bavarians we aya asema manager fan se Titi edi tuja.
Advantage. I think we have the slight advantage of the experience in our team. We have players who won it. We have players who played decisive matches in this competition. But to make it an advantage, we have to still bring out the very best in us. It can also be sometimes an advantage to not have the experience, to just have the role as a contender, have the role as a hunter. That can also be a theme for Arsenal, to go for it, to be the guys who finally do it after so many years, I think after a decade. But also for us, it's not usual to be in a semi-final. If you see the last years, it's not so easy for us, also for no one, and also for us as a club to overcome this stage. So now the situation is here that we have 90 or 120 minutes or penalties to go. We have this one decisive match to make the next big step in this beautiful competition, and we are determined to bring everything to the table.
Yes, and also I can free manager and sweat about Brenano Peno. Yet update in Atema, yet Fafe, Mame Real Madrid, and Omutrani, and so our stadium, and yet Tiada, Sambia or Savote, and so the farm Man City and Real Madrid match and Hubiano, Medicana on some at Japanamum Jamaica and Sanwa, Wabra Coba Somutron in Abasono way, and some yes, Mikel Arteta Modiano, and no Bison Ekasai, way I team talk at as a Basman Real Madrid and one more training and some our stadium. I yet time of boys and some free as a local room, Abasia room, and some our pensioners. All them say, what was the TS pensioners were Man City, our emblem, and also our logo. I attack and say, be a Crestano, Wamaya our from Obian, one more Tiaso, where I respect and our players, our and some other different teams, our badge. I just will be a tie, Bimuko, Ebia Real Madrid, Wamusun Concotia, I Real Madrid, Domulogan, so I'm a nano per report from a second, and some honest away a idea. Wama ye amateurs and will be also ball a Real Madrid, almost some Kodana Basus Enra, Man City follow Gono, Wamosom Antiasu, no Tiasua, Yana Tim the Fansabia Muadie, and Ansabia said Timono, and our Domini attitude from Anutina player Shakola. Now a kiss Ebia Timono, one more badge, I want a bosso, it is Uncle to Sabia Timbi, one more badge, our former Yancheta so rough and to the Hadia, one more banning in our Bia Faho, I just Ayabasoba, Real Madrid, players in and some and one I dread a banana pay, and no, I promise you're trying to report. I mean, you say, one CEO, I fancy yourself, and your Sanchez, or no, and some Quasabi Jose, no, Jose, and your Sanchez, Okobi, I'm a just a chief scouter, your father says, Juni Calafat, or no, and some Okobi, Alcosa boys now, woman in Alcosa and Quadanin crying, and what he, my man, found two and our brother, and Saka, and some other report. I mean, you also trust say, Wabra Martin Abbas, and what him said, Jamina, and say, yes, Real Madrid for no, and some our GDM apa, yes, boys in the essay, and and quiet to sell last season. It is a way a Man City supporter, we a Man City fan, now be a watching, and some and then almost ever be Diagu, yes, ever show more for Abra, and yet there be an entosia pro ever more that Namontu money, Bobo Cravans are remarked boys in what GDS say. I didn't see last year, no, and some repeat and an tree, Real Madrid, and your mistake, and Twasumi, you know, I just and I'm sorry, update, and our brown something, you know, yet the Emma, yet for an pay, and some our show us Calon Chilote, yes, a manager of Prima Channel Case, Mama from Mama, and Ellen Halano, and who was still Ellen Halan, ya couple from your dangerous. I just want to me a hard and an adria, Bynum account into I'm prepare ye. I just want preparation in Yano, woman Yakodanum as account, woman factor Ellen Halan. Now, many Jackalan Chilot to say, we are Real Madrid fan away or careful in the bosso, what Yaku could draw, and I can't dare. Many Janasera, Jeff on the Champions League, you know. Real Madrid, omo competition o mo makabia de mo ya bi ahwe keke obi o ma jena ma akoma 14 wo wafe ene Madrid derby anya bia osaso ene Madrid inti competition die Real Madrid omo ana adane omo dia omo japade na na dwi ana mo bo Sompa bibi awo wiase etu o Real Madrid fan akoma to yam emane ha kwa ma mo nsuro kwasa na dwi no bibi ensom na betumi ase na Bellingham, one also and one at Dracula Casayo, Jude no Musana Sabama, Mansity Namuno Babono Namacho, so say, I'm on for 6 and a sit at trouble, and I'm at trouble, but one some Real Madrid. Now we cast a Real Madrid, I Real Madrid of Rapani, I Madrid Assembly Timua, Moya and Manomasham last season, you know, one more to us so quite trouble, and Unti, Mumba Diagu, Muba Kawata, and then Yamuba Shia, Asan about trusting in a bra. What a troubler, and your class, and some and a Real Madrid, you should Bellingham.
I think everyone spoke a lot about them. You know, they're the treble winners, and rightly so. They're an amazing team. But I think you've got to understand that that's the impression from the outside, and that's the kind of feeling from everyone else. You know, I'm not a gambler. I've never been to the bookies, so I don't know the bets and the favourites and things like that. But I do know that we're Real Madrid, and we're a pretty good team ourselves. We've got some brilliant.
Yes, and no, I am Sama Katana, your fantasy shoot Bellingham, and I'll tell you, you're telling some to Jawa Kaibiano, Wabel Kobasa Remar, the fat boy at the buyer was started season here, pa, a classical crack common Juka Kodai, and a costly show Emmanuel Kokama, Nebusa Jude, sir, na a jump Panama says so much money, who ye was it the Edikan, and some the Prano Coco presence, or recovering in a 2-year player now Prakoba, want to say, now was sit here and Prano and no aye one or recovery crano was up could do that card okay on Bolalica can be Mekaisa Minti dear nay against I have Valencia and a Coba Bobo Kono a Boakodawe Ekonya red card now since Animal Affectano and what just in the ruin Assassin Sakakra and to Munya Enchabiano or the South Pajama for dinner tam what Sam Obajatuna Fe why you watch one was Sissa Aman and Morton Bono and some Asa Paja shoot on one Casa the personal I have form or can want some kakra.
Well, I think obviously I started the first half of the season really well, and even until January, obviously winning the Super Cup and things like that. And I think the main thing that probably killed my rhythm a little bit was the injury more so than anything against Girona. When you miss so many games and you can kind of still feel little bits of pain and aren't comfortable doing certain things, and finally I get over that feeling of the pain in my ankle and play against Valencia, score what I thought was a perfectly good goal and get suspended. But I've said before, I've got to be responsible for my actions and that kind of thing. But yeah, I think it's
yes, Enti Aquadana Casa Jen from Swatum, our Brano, and so I have first staff, and I just say a Jama deal for our Brawe presentation of Freddie Caninier. Yaba second half our presentation anymore. Medical catch or some of the bouncer and some managers at Dortmund or Mojano Suberie. No more Mamin front two one say what broke Cobas and Ra. Now Barcelona Antimian qualify one shriek Caniniano will be a car red card and Assem. Now when him son our broke Cobas a post match at Basso and Barcelona. One more manager fantasy Xavi Hernandez Cruz and was Xavi say you want to just Mapa say Barcelona ever bounce back Nyamia Duma and no I next season I'm a Champions League woman some other fight and I said about now Barca bounce back next season some fight here one be Canadian chess or by Jumana Omono and a bounce back and fight here now was it Debbie and the who here and no and a bear said Jumani Bium now Xavi say you want to just say Nyamia Sunday ha Real Madrid wallahi Mudiamopa Mon share a ponin and through and from Koku Ebia Babiama somebody Koku Real Madrid for Chomu Ten Nyamia Mokasiada this have your bomb person and coupon baba Nene was saying we are Sunday Sunday and New now Real Madrid for same Wamuya Mema Pa Nyamia Sunday and found the best in her Mopa Monshan qualify Mopa Monshan qualify Xavi say Wamuba Swamuba Shamu our center governor Bow now city and Suya and sign we also by Moba Sham our Monjika according to Barcelona coach or say Nyamia Sunday I was a crime be also Mofaso and some Asha Real Madrid piano one some other fast washer now and more GDA pass at the back and some officiating now and one public saying woman lucky baku say Bobby Abasa Bobiano now Rofi edit Abasa and yan Ranko and what the Opekasa Sansa Suoi said type Punchania or better war what to say now the best work can you answer Ukrainian said I know and a big kind of hey was it ever since obey a coach obey a manager and who says I born reference Libby Bapaka woman to me the show me to me say whoa me say fee I'm a Muslim I'm and referee and Mia Basa for come no meow na come no so many no meow hey I think Chabo Momo Kayamone Chelsea 2009 hey Nadia Mona career for some much no Bobby and so Nadia Xavi said referee was sabuta you coach versus Xavi
it makes the difference of the draw. It was a pity because we were competing so well, 11 against 11, and it marks all the game today and the draw. So it's a pity because we had many options to qualify to semi-final, but I think one decision of the referee decided everything today. Yes, I think.
Okay. Yes, not just a referee decision and referee now. Your fan is Van Kovac. I just want to know. And some referee Romania about match and Mono and Amneswa. And my Barcelona and some anti-Mian qualify. Now, my main front two when I'm about Jaminian sir. Joe Henry, a former player at the Barca and Henry is your coach. One of the France Olympic team ever call Olympic Games. Henry say, Assembly and Xavi Kaya won't blame me na referee na Jenna Frank Kosi here and why my men say papa ne sitting in a bra woman you know who be play her we your coach near show say na who pe bibia be kan tina chance Xavi shada pana what do good referee so masa sechira kodana na catch on say Ronald Araujo baby wa ball adru no enye say any different the moment Bradley Bacola ehwe won ono Henry and ko defend ya wo be jai ma akora na ko e dey na chance akora na be hye ball no wo kwatwa me show red can two be so cham say when deny akora no clear goal scoring opportunity ana yintio Henry
not let the referee. We all know if you're going to make it or if you're not going to make it when you go. So let him go. Hope that your goalkeeper is going to save it. Do not let the referee have the power to make that what Xavi calls a mistake. I actually think when I'm sitting here, not on the bench, not upset after a game that I have to go and speak to the press and you're trying to find ways of understanding what's happening on the night. I just think that there were too many nervous mistakes from Barcelona at some points in the game. We all know if you're going to make
yes, NT, and no, and I'll tell you, right from the South, Henry, and so again in some by again excepts in Nano, and so them are live on Sompa 93.1 while bra, and now pay the latest and after Monochani Nano, and some of them are not, my idea saying Mbappe, and the other son, I wouldn't say Kai Guntuan and pay, make an excepts Emma Meteho, now Guntuan on referee, I have found is Van Kovac, and Umbusa Guntuan say, when and also when your penalty and referee and Janabiano. what in the akwadani ye e ka guntu an be so che say Ronaldo Araujo nem say enwa wan shranya nyoma ye because am say na boy no wa fa ball no tinka de nka be ya jano no nya opportunity emfa nko abeka onu goalkeeper de be sie e bia goalkeeper be save e bia obeche no na the moment abeko na abeko tackling na mo beko a man down e ba sa 10 against 11 bra e be very difficult sense anya Premier League anya La Liga anya UEFA Champions League anya about so unim none now the red card e be den pass be come back guntu one e be say referee to say we say no anokra nyame ni ha oni referee di nkomo na ose referee yo bi a o ye tintintinti sa se o ka mintie na se referee yo bi a o mo ade dabi anya sa no hu referee kra we ni pofofo kra referee yo okay o che say we obi o boade o tini pass na so the penalty no an won tia se referee na anje and some from an odi ye ntie se bia referee no we ni paponi ni anaso onye ni paponi ni a e kai guntu wan say one ni di nkomo enra we be kirem
actually I could talk to him, to be honest. Even half time he didn't make such a he didn't have such a bad attitude. I haven't seen any of the actions, of the crucial actions on TV, on the replay. It felt a bit like that he was very quick with yellow cards for us on the pitch. But I don't know, maybe it was justified, maybe not. I have no idea. The only thing I know is that my situation in the second half, where I think I should get a penalty because I'm running and he clearly kicks me, with his leg. And if not, I can keep continuing running, and if he doesn't kick me, I don't fall. So for me, that's a penalty. That's what I told him, to at least have a check, and then he gave me a yellow card. So I don't know.
Yes, not just a Balsam player on our experience back when you and I was saying and referee fantasy is Vancouver, one didn't come on say referee and your beer our bad attitude, not just a bueno. I say our just a referee at the pepper pay and some Juma and our brass game and also bounce our Brennan up to Trinano yet but on him sign no Akadana your fan say Mbappe say you want to just send a dire so to say what did Paris Saint-Germain about UEFA Champions League now so that's what one Champions League no crana and no and a Susan decision saying me duma one also at the end of the season one also other call now Jamaican say coach your fan Luis Enrique was Xavi Astores our hanum Yannick Kenti Enrique Shadrack what your mama Luis Enrique the other mama be a sense sake of time I was say your team mama Luis Enrique and one manager was say well you're proud of the boys what you can't cast some qualifier I am more injured Ampany Ampanra more injured stadium and a qualification bye
proud, very proud. I think it's you have to hope for the day that change everything, and it was today, the day closer to change that bad path. But now I think we are very happy, excited. I think only the supporters.
Yes, me that say not just Luis Enrique and so any say latest I mean say can say nyame ya dom na Sunday El Clasico eba so Xavi Eshebo say I was say kon bia so mo kwasha Madrid no report I mean say can say Xavi enim no luzu El Clasico nyame ya dom Sunday yes wan hwa mo mafofie entwata one be ka say we season obeko bia no mama Xavi enwie na Rafa Marquez ababeto aso esanse me no ka say o refer say one porter I affect pa na yesi ene omahwere sika eno aye 1 and what omahwere titles eno aye 2 and the trauma war and say the new format aba club world championship it Barca accrued points omantimi accrue bi anka ho amfa nko club world championship amenei Chelsea mun nyina mo ne hwa mo maka no ebe ko club world championship sane o mam yensan yesi ho run pa ma chese no akra no am say na kwa befa so obeda no ho be den enso adamano yeso ko Xavi na busuafo na so ya Xavi environment omo brain ye no yeso mo gidi ye ba se eno a total robbery and a basso na basa nya hwe won be ko run 16 kra no yes we were yellow card and we send the yellow card biema we be suspended then ya the sane mani nyina no enso a robbery and a basso and some other man Xavi our break can be and am run antimi anko anymore and no I update about for the bouncer for say Luis Enrique ni bonini papa wo sori a wo se wo kule ana be kochi Barca nti wo kan ho wo ye one masa wo bi a wo kule no wo ji woni say ai na se na wi asete e nche no mo se fi na kro amon consider Enrique say wo ye kule biam a chese ha dwempa wo coach wo ye sen chene kakra.
It was more difficult. I think we started the match in unbelievable rhythm, taking control of the ball and playing good football. And in the first time that they go to our box, they score a goal, and for me it was very unfair. But we didn't change the way we play, and of course, when the action of Araujo, I didn't see.
Yes, indeed, and no, some of the doors of that, a brand new day to Manti loaded. I am sharing our fee and found one 70 canning and so am I at you for and I was showing some bishop now on where they come on. Oh, okay. They are near Sepa. Sam, Sir, come here. Bonian way, Yano. It's your met, and we are going so. Won't he? Yes. Barcelona, ya be doing come Champions League, you know, and so about so real quick now. Yamre nafi, yamra meshum. And in that day, the by now apostle say, Obera and not matches anymore. I'm a munta chuku, teams a Barca for no more bottle parmesan. Say we are fine.
Oh, I do my rainy experience with the
okay. Yes. Oh, yeah, me chon kai. Uni hano Bishop Dean Trobi Guso.
Ubitimi aka sento kan ya chemi.
I was say bana odo papa tare na ba juma.
Na de na esa. Ade na esa. Fancy. Sisi no person can make the offer because you see we be a me no tea utu anu metie what dey me chela say you be kana mete na so to dey bia jalabia no hye wa na adwini nyina sisa
you know the kakote to
is it jalabia na akọ han no de kwala
brade
ala
brade
Shadrack yenya adwuma na no pe na yeni nkomo kakra bi na eme say and when Champions League games na me offer me sure say me offer bet touch 1 or 2 but in the games no the person can me share bibi kakra bi about the betimi akoso ne starting from Santiago Estadio de Bernabeu and kan mo kwakobo kamedi match de kwakoshe Santiago Bernabeu City anti abotre it is City me fa mo match de nko bia because say Barcelona for ni damo so because
Barca for ni damo so
Barca for ni nyina wo Manchester City
samum
oh yes na so munipa o Pep Guardiola nti Barca for do
na so mu nyina
omo techire brutal Barca for do na Barca ni a ono enkoyie no wo City ni bia ni nchi wo Barca kakra
oh okay
City ni bia nchi wo Barca kakra tiene de sa na tie but Francis ye sha say wo the Etihad Stadium a de betima cost between Manchester City and Real Madrid. In recent years these two teams are beginning to put themselves from one kasa omo yenya peak years of Champions League having two teams omuduru stage bia bo mo ho a omo kokwa omo ma a level of quality football bia dia omo maka wo Champions League ni nyina amfa ma ye benya Chelsea ni Liverpool at some point in the Champions League no mo at that level 2004 2005 Babesi 2006 2007 these two teams Obekasa about Manchester United and Barcelona. 2009 Champions League final, 2011 Champions League final, 2007, 2008 UEFA Champions League semi-final. And these teams were dominant in a certain aspect of the game, say. But could be obesha no yonku bia obetime move to the next step bia na means not trophy ni boni pakron won wo so timeje. It is Real Madrid and Manchester City. 2021-2022 season. Real Madrid Manchester City free in the Champions League.
Okay.
On the kwaje. 2022-2023. Manchester City Real Madrid free Champions League in Manchester City in the kwaje. So for 2 consecutive seasons, these two teams are about the Champions League semi-final. the obasa ne yonko ni bia no ono na ko wura into the final ebo ne ho modern timiji title ni disi ne na so iti ama this season Champions League oh probia obetimi age the Champions League fancy untimi nyi wani enfam 3 days fixture so nipa obetimi are they ma qualify to the next round.
Yeah.
Medical can say in return legs moment lack you need your quality players to step up. Yehubi enra enne we are supposed to witness the same thing ebetimi akoso e the Etihad Stadium. But you share there be in terms of their possible lineups with these two teams. Real Madrid ebe me say Tchouaméni already Alaba ni Militao are not Alaba ni Courtois are not part of the team. Militao aba na no na minimisa against Mayoka ko be opportunity kran pa ba mu 90th minute achiwo ba bi ba kakra bi na okotena nchen enkomo ayedidie ni nyina ni hwehwemu ayaye ni nyina it will be very difficult for Eder Militao to start the game. But with Lunin, Mendy, Antonio Rudiger, Nacho Fernandez, Carvajal, Camavinga, Toni Kroos, Valverde, Bellingham, Vinicius Junior and Rodrigo, I believe Real Madrid have the men. So in terms of baby a key battles between Makoso. Any Real Madrid, or more doubt, supporters need doubt about a certain player within the setup. Any the entire major 2 years as I play and no more for money to because on the bit might be the amomo. Yen checking Manchester City on possible lineup for Nyamea Duma and then Numre. See, show Manchester City Dia, Edison, Vardiol, John Stones, Diaz, Kyle Walker back into the team. Yabehe the entire very important in this particular Manchester City setup. Betimia Boma and then Numre, so Betimia Bibia, or Motimia, Kevin De Bruyne, Rodri, Bernardo Silva, Doku, Haaland, and Phil Foden. Fancy, me believe it say. Doku will go out for Grealish to come in because Medica say Real Madrid. So only omo now Doku 1v1 situation the likes of Kabaya mo ontimi biti omo te say there. Players are omutimi kura ball che etimi enya fouls in and around the penalty box.
Okay.
For example, me can say same way people were like, hey, but the first leg they had their Grealish, Foden, and Bernardo. No mo ye Real Madrid penalty box nechi.
Yeah.
And no more to Real Madrid players ni pie di omoba. But Mamidi can chance him free Real Madrid. The team maker said,
"I know man for ball about super
fancy me away." Ni ensure there. I Real Madrid defense. Oh, I'm not for doubt about Nacho Bishop.
Yeah, of course, they always doubted.
But the last 5 games are Nacho started as the centre back. The Real Madrid didn't concede more than 2 goals.
Then Ancelotti didn't try to. And
against Real Mallorca, when they bought centre back, and then Nacho was one of the best players for Real Madrid. Omunko back, no more Real Madrid. Their last 4 or 5 games, Nacho started as a centre back. Just go and look at it, and you realize that he has been a key player in that particular role for Real Madrid, as compared to Tchouaméni, as I said in the first leg. And the Tchouaméni, Nacho will come in. Nacho will offer you that level of experience and character you need. He has won the Champions League with Real Madrid.
Yes.
He understands the moment.
Sompa
Sports. Just Subambi also dying a day and then you for Real Madrid to get results. And he's a leader. But maybe Real Madrid problem ni na be wono. Eh when the air shielded the back line. Shadrach, Yanko Real Madrid average positioning against Manchester City in the first leg. Yansha Sam up no, you heard Sam up now. The reason why Real Madrid will be very good, making sure at least at the end of the day in the fancy or Monsabet Maka results and we are. This is Real Madrid against Manchester City. Kabe BM Kakrama make a cra. No,
zooming a Kakrama.
Now, fancy already average positioner. Nipa no City deep in terms of the midfielders was Toni Kroos. Shebebi Ojina. Remember the entire Kawaka important. The can Shebebi Rodrigo, Vinicius, never Bellingham, never Fela Mendy, never Bebi Toni Kroos. Share that particular area.
Okay.
Real Madrid players is saying our left hand side, which is the right hand side of Manchester City.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meboa. As compared to the other side, ever didn't wine. Carvajal.
Let's say we know some in the first leg. Madrid who say Man City ben me say.
Ebe me say Walker.
And to make create value do ho.
Asemnan Walker.
Benens Walker.
And the Walker ba. So they need to find another solution to it.
Wow.
Anything I make us a Nipona no be sit right in front of the defenders no. Me jitu me ya and ne komo omun travel Vardy as a police in fancy Rodri so. Toni Kroos and Camavinga and controlling the tempo of the game, the pace of the game, they should not leave Toni Kroos to shield the back line. Yes.
But Pep so Bonabaso after the first leg.
Toni Kroos and Sebastian controlling game, he's superb. But you are going to an away game.
Okay.
When your home game as him,
to also protect you.
And also protect you. And 1-0 win can qualify you.
Sompa Sports
can qualify. You only need a win. So come the first Albania win beer in this game, and you should go for it. Ultra Police Vavadi. I didn't see Rodri, so John Stones solid on one team can anuntum. But when you have Camavinga and Toni Kroos in front of Vavadia, Omono betime players be free due to their quality when it comes to ball retention, any creativity, and quick transitioning passes. Be much more born 1-2 ne ko animu ne akakopie mu. And ubetimia bonne this star now overload, but you need to make sure say Vavadi need go deep now. Camavinga should be closer to Dani Carvajal. And now Real Madrid should make sure say Bellingham will also join and overload the other side. Yeah, Manchester City average positioning in the first leg. Then you be how and also City Koye. Any the way Manchester City is setting up against Real Madrid. But fancy, wouldn't him say? In the last 2 decades, when it comes to the UEFA Champions League, there has been only 3 times Anienya a Spanish team in the semi-final of the Champions League. 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. So 2 years in na coefficients in Milan, Chelsea, Liverpool, and Manchester United. So, and you bring the COVID season now, you know RB Leipzig, Paris Saint-Germain, Bayern Munich. And so that was one off. But in the last 2 decades, one Spanish team in the Champions League semi-final. Fancy. And then you reside in Manchester City.
So
yes.
Say ain't me Madasebia for the previous seasons, you know. You have a boy even a single team in the semi-finals.
Free Spain.
Serious.
Eddie. There has been only one occasion Real Madrid said Obi Nefrimu on 2 consecutive occasions when it comes to the knockout stage of the Champions League at this level. 89-90. AC Milan. Real Madrid film
Sompa Sports.
Real Madrid film 90. And Mary Fisu say 89-90 this is one the Champions League, you know. So it goes back, as I say, this fixture has now become the title decider for the Champions League. And Ancelotti was also part of the AC Milan team in 89. As I saw the 92
because also from Enonopa, and may say, Anopa tip off, and I may say, the mega done say, as a why superstitious.
Yes.
So more hotel and sense some a best who's a full time and I'm a confirm say the previous most from 2020 now Madrid Baspin Biamoko Dallery Hotel.
Yeah.
For some few seasons ago Mujaye. Last season you want die. So no fool say a change in hotel betting Yasamboa because said there be apostle cast a born on Numa Pini woman. Many Janimo Maton one can request no some Monsanko back to Lorry Hotel because on mobile crom Beshe Manchester Imu free Moka Ronaldo Beshe Gubia one jubilatino on Kodallery Hotel.
But fancy, whatever that favors Real Madrid becomes something that could bring a miracle. But statistically, City have always been on top of Real Madrid in recent times.
Yeah.
In the last 11 encounters between the two of them, Madrid are winning 3, City are winning 4. Mami City graph in terms of home records in the UEFA Champions League as compared to the other.
Sompa Sports.
Sorry City crumple home record in the Champions League fancy since 2018. Oma draw only 2 times at home when it comes to the Champions League.
They are still 40 games unbeaten
They
at
are
home.
still 40 games unbeaten at home. You found to the likes of other teams beat Real Madrid, Liverpool, Bayern Munich, especially these are the teams that are Champions League in and this is it, fancy. O check Chelsea Wofie, o check Liverpool, Bayern Munich Wofie, o check Liverpool Wofie, o check Real Madrid Wofie. Since 2018, they've been losing matches at home.
Yeah.
In the Champions League as compared to City. Numbers when you go. But fancy. I don't know Real Madrid person we the Spanish teams now semi-final fancy.
Yes, one Madrid for no hope so.
Fancy your name Sabi Ancelotti also being part of the 89 South 90 team no. I think
Whoa.
Very difficult game tonight.
Hope.
But I wouldn't be surprised if this game can also draw and travel to the extra time.
And the City Nyana to say the Omanyana last season.
Happy City Nyana, sir. No. City will struggle today. City will struggle very well today. And I'm sure Rodrigo ni. But we say match, we say this so. Ebema Ebia 2-1, 1-1, or 3-1.
Sompa Sports.
Multiple score. Oko options ni more better. Multiple score. 1-1, 2-1, or 3-1. Home and away. And over 1.5. But me and fancy. Numbers in the BBA favor Manchester City. Statistics, everything favors Manchester City. But at this stage of the Champions League, in Spanish teams, no. I think something will go in favor of Real Madrid tonight.
Okay. Yes, Mezame da say, and now cast a PH be qualify say, Monsano Paman for the bro, Mr. Pubi be say, Jebo. Auntie Mezano no me ba Bishop Atapuku and Apostles say, Barca game no become because and no be a common pa hard train. Now, OP wallpapers and so Bomodian Sober Kwakwa J wallpapers a day every Omasway ho. Now, baby, I so child decoration be I'll be trying to come wallpapers and a blanket and scholars and a match and designs and a fine varieties yama opportunity to cross a choose be a bad day so bet me appoint say be a pay and answer way and a offering in a party wallpapers and a blanket and OP a fay wobenya bedside lamps in the biato wobenya TV backlight wobenya ring light and a plastic wardrobes center carpet air diffusers flowers and answer wall clocks momunya water fountain and a darts game OP semen can just all drew chronoma or barrier on the market no edi enimhwe ana fa dum pz na na kwesi agman build na ma ho so anya ira kwan obusa obi abetro ebe hello fm ho aye 0540 353750 na OP and you so 3P Gallic Mission a Pewak Natural Health Limited and a Dubai a drawway a draw a boa man papa say menstrual pains and irregular menstrual flow and after what cramps a how on what drone a Pewak almost 3P Gallic Mission high blood pressure and a brain as a call asthma and a flu or don't will be your best situation Cassiama broso wo for trouble I say masanya but na wumi ayen amount me for trotro taxi so na be found me internationally wo kwatena mu so driver into me change the gear since what je nimu nyina so aboso mesrew I was say wo pe 3P Gallic mixture bi na bobo bia be boa ama so beti kama stroke no ebe call would nice it me titiriti moja no ntimi nkoma yi eno droba akwa be boa stress every wo fu aye bloated da bia no po fu aye kutu wo fu aye cheko said droi enso be boa ma sugar level nyina no enso aba from amachese immune system ebe supporting the kama pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops ni nyina mo obenya 3P Gallic mission bi ato a 0248 928824 0201 000021 na onim pedifo no enkasa Bishop
fancy
mamembra hoy
abano so de no abana eguso na bibia come am say bia set come let me quickly run
some passports
into adwuma so number 1 Emmanuel Atuahini Jesse director of communications Bechem United say nipa ba ko a sabi ndwumedi a yedi wa boa ama yedrichi pa eno no Jesse Yankopon unshow pa for your support and then your kindness towards us all the time. Jesse, we want to wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. When you became United Abusuani in a chairman of pay, Fragama Subisi Obiaso. Now, who a two I need Jesse there is former in ye. Yankopon unshow. Kojo Pon a teacher or Kumasi girls, Kojo Fridoma, and a Kojo birthday, Kojo Pon. Happy birthday to you. You are a good person. Stephen Apia, don't know friend of Tornado, also BBNE. Whenever we've been around, you've been so kind to us. Or Coco Board, District Officer or BBNE. Tornado, also happy birthday. Then our very regular listener and contributor, Eric Alonso, and also Okonongo, and then a birthday. Eric Alonso.
Sompa Sports.
Happy birthday, Alonso. Yanko Ponshaw. Now you be a inye. Metier Javi. Metier Thierry Henry. You see, officiating no. Ebe to me and Kaube Fia no abe ball ni beam before you comment. The discussion around officiating can be had without context. Javi no, onya akwenya ehwe video. Inti di ohun ni live no. Fancy. Eno de be judge. Make say bi kwa no bi ka bibi a che nti na ma dream ni ho fully. Metenase. Akomya ya Barcelona fan na hwe de enre course na obubu fu referee ni ba. Wasisi upa. Ne ma say neutral hu ni sa. Nti me whenever issue of bias bias e omu mienu. Your construction bias. Say me come asem na me de bias ashim.
Okay.
And your perception bias and our perceptual bias. Fancy say nipa na uti no ho me inti de o kan kra no. Me fan say nya no kra. Di hu pa perceptual bias. They all listeners no no. Enu ni hu pa. Onya na dwun so be bi na koma mu ni na dwun ti asem no. No matter what you say or pe bibi afa. So football fans, no, they are the most biased people you'd have around the football climate. Or no, but not in a fully night green and I'm be supporting my team. Say Liverpool neighbor, and I'm as a fan, and I mean who send a referee the boy, and come in you. But Ukufi now you're born if you're dead slow motion now, a young your money. The man at the center of the storm is Van Kovac. Mr. Isvan Kovac ya kana semi or a Romanian, Hungarian. You're 84. To 40 years no crime so nyanya. I feel no binya. Oni mbia ketwa Jobal Kovac or no see a referee. Omu na di ball no Romania league no. Na Isvan Kovac unyane FIFA badge no by international 2018. 2020 no by UEFA elite referee. Now you look at his trajectory. Euro 2020, Netherlands, North Macedonia, only these are born. And no movie free. 2022, South Champions League semi-final between Real Madrid and Manchester City. First leg, Manchester City winning 4-3. It is what brought him to the elite status. Fancy. Sir Bernardo Silva go now. That was what brought him to the elite. Now, since then, after 2022 Champions League semi-final, Conference League final 2022 only the year. 2022 World Cup Qatar baby when the Boba Kokran fourth official no 8 games. January 2023 Sa Club World Cup no mo ball Morocco no. Al Hilal and Flamingo semi-final when the year. Aside the Gulf Cup final between Iraq and Oman. 2023 last year Champions League final, not a fourth referee. Fancy. You can see progression.
Yes.
Like I said, for you the subjectively biased supporter, our person with team winning. And now Barcelona near referee or your chrome for pa fancy. The decisions he got them spot on. Maybe I'm not a contention more pa was Ikai Gundogan possible penalty. Now my dream said, Gundogan did penalty. But Mina reverse angle no share. I'm say wow.
On one case and 9 or day.
Yeah, but the 9 o'clock ball player no, it's not every contact. Say Bitinia. O to Mikano. And on the 9 ball player no ebe ball the 9. So you see, he hit a player to trip himself. Was the 9 ball Bitinia Kotugi na ebe ball no 9. So for the referee to have spotted that right. Fancy. She say Isvan Kovac no nim ni oye. Second, sa red card no.
Arahodian.
Yeah. Number person who say PSG players no. And a man
Sompa Sports.
Because they were rushing to him right away. Dembele ni so free baby. Omu dimika but you see waje nense kwa ni bottom crown sana players ni draw. But just no.
I don't know the man crowded.
That's so.
And I assign on-field decision. Yeah.
In fact, yeah, let me say teams now referees are free smaller countries. No, say you in terms of football. I'm be this how much is we are. But Nyamian Ukraine now no the OD Real Madrid and Manchester City no free Sweden. Udibon papa. And then this guy. In Tiabeya, yes, I Barcelona about the decisions. Penalty ni say because aba. Na baby I sign the answer Enra. Emra Rafinha did that term no corner so.
Yes.
Also make mama a red card. But we have to keep the game going. Mimpesa, don't speak like that to me. And Yamon Abaso. We understand where Javi is coming from. He's trained to coach a team. He's not trained to officiate a game. And I say, unya video in here. Now say in real time, Kovac enya sa decisions when you now writer. Fancy. It took a lot of time for Araujo to leave the pitch. Okon, Osanko assistant na no jina touchline on. The ref be out in Paboni be bit much bibi. But look, he handled the game very well. Very, very well. Nemebo na baso. I mean, Romania for they don't have much problems. And the lesser nations bringing these referees here. And decisions need especially Cancelo the penalty did there. Semina Mijina Park and San Kamanji. Gunuga the penalty is a penalty. Because me who am team penalty. So why are the pan?
Sompa Sports.
Why not Mira Huaman and paper?
Okay, Tiana.
Rafinha.
Okay.
Okay, Tiana.
Fancy. Over 2 legs, no. And then on your beam to
Why, Juma, on Lami Yamal.
Then on your beam. And you could see Neni Atata, you see, he saw this rot. Video be after match, no, the reaction. No. That is what I want from footballers, Fancy.
They now all hate to go good work, because it's the same player. Few months down, Delena say you're criticizing a year ton 80 million euros Saudi and Denzi. Boys, no money near question now.
Oh, they are only nipa.
Yeah,
only nipa. We are see or market you or more generally no butu to go post no run nothing just say yeah. But technically, Fancy. Quite often, so Hakimi is not a soft guy. Onobi or slow. But pass no, another outside of the Trivela Nibia. No. He moved ahead of Hakimi and now connect here. Why first leg no? Asabe second leg no. Ejumanesi. But then Osman Dembele decided
Sompa Sports.
And openya dia yekoye Mbappe bia match no mo boy and Fancy bibia dance say Osman Dembele ni na ball match no mo Fancy nti uhwe nipa mi no mo dominate both legs na ono ni Rafinha no.
Yeah.
Now the first goal the other take no Fancy
guy no
so I always like doing this. Mama fa ball no baba.
Shout out Monsanko back my
time Bakola so Kunde. Ata the reason why Adebia coaches Bekato said, "Men macross no mano no. Shebe Kunde one shebe Bakola wo." And then after the cross, you have John Ose Cancelo switch it off.
Yeah.
Which is terrible. I mean, so with 2 fullbacks, then you switch off that split second
within the box.
Within the box.
Was not even scanning.
No, but within the box.
Within the box,
they are off.
Oh, they are.
How do you defend it?
You are off, and you are playing again. Look. This Bakola, Dembele, these are not players that 1 second so when you grab ball. They are dangerous players.
And look, I'm born so across the face of goal.
Listen, this boy, Masusan Mbappe, he's a better player than Mbappe.
Bakola at this age.
No, Bakola. I'm really talking about Dembele. Bata knows it.
Oh, okay.
Dembele is better player than Mbappe. Yeah. The problem he has is injury, attitude.
A game in the toys in the door.
Left, right, or Bono, yeah, Fancy, or Bono set. Bakuni or Bono, I was switcher Baku. How many quality players? And technically, he's very. Also, Mbappe, Bang, but Mbappe is them knows. How he scored that Goal now difficult to score. Goal now Dembele
because we me about to actually easily. About only to also precaution.
For me, Mami can say, look, Barcelona, the truth is that game now France, no, yet we had chance, we took it. That game, Dembele ball crossbar. He missed 4 extra chances. Vitinha missed 2 extra. Bakola ball crossbar. Those, I know a hard luck in a game. Okay. It doesn't mean when you took advantage of movement chance, it means that you were better than opponent. On the day our opponent will have the opportunity to do that, they'll punish you. In terms of quality, truth be told, Omo and him change. What do I say? Omo quality change. That's a matter of fact. All they need is the movement, the right time, the right decision. Now attacker red card no. Momami Aroho. Once again, a player somewhere is defending. Momami Aroho, the record. It was
Araujo red card.
Terrible for him to have done that. First of all, Bakola Monko. Yeah.
Henry emphasizes that.
Monko.
Now, say me more be that, but me Paco see Fabian like this. Yeah, Bobby Anna say switcher. Then I'll catch him and Jemfi say when you control the ball.
Yes. And Bakola
the defenders near the other side.
Technically,
don't touch him.
He's intelligent.
The run, say, look at
what he did. Yeah, what he did. What he did was when he had the run, or should I say, where a slow kakranto calling him, like I was saying. That's it. Because who calling him Sompa or chow penalty. He lost the pass. Now he was trying to recover. But Bakola no 21 Maza. Aside age, technically is a brilliant player. And I got down the name.
With these 2 games, you have to take him there.
No, on the board. And you also have to say, sir, Luis Enrique did well by starting based on your bear from the bench, He did well by, so give it to the coach also.
Oh, huge feeling. Say, Omane share ball we are. Barcelona will qualify.
Oh, sister, now be draw.
Oh, yeah, of course. 11 there. They are.
Now the guarantees of a
no problem. No bono crown or was no. Bono was no. Likely Sanka test down crabbit me pia.
So it was needless red card. And as defenders, you need to learn this thing. Monko, who they try so closing now kakra Monko. So Bona shall fine. You are 11. You still can come back and equalize. So that was bad from him. Now the substitution. Good managers who want movement like this. Managers are omunim ejuma, omunim niesa movement like this. Substitution, Inigo Martinez, yes, over. But Yamal was wrong. The substitution was wrong. No.
So when I was saying
the threat, PSG, the threat they don't want to see. Emma Rafinha movement no ekokama. What the first leg was this? Look, Mami, okay, from this the first leg, Shadrach. So Mami who the pass now, Yamal Edima, the pass he gave for Rafinha's goal. It shows you the technical quality of at this age of the boy time they pass it. Now, sir, a big defender small. First one, no, sure, baby,
yeah, first leg,
fantastic. One pass, no.
And what beyond and Ross,
and pass, no. No, me, no, we first leg, second leg, no match, no. The pass, now a diagonal ball from Arojo, and no, a diagonal ball from Arojo, and a corner, no. Check pass, not the man. In fact, at Rafinha didn't know that you even get to it. I see you was not expect. Here, watch it.
One moment and then the ball is.
No, also pass. Or you no meant the Sinchenko. This is your most dangerous player in terms of passing. Look, you just watch. He just sent it at our smart pass. You watch.
No, so that's speedy.
Now you don't take away this young boy who is too dangerous.
Then can I boy ready Barca for when he dia more.
Take one midfielder for me. Pedri, this is for all those mans Afina Oba. You can take him off. What do you say? And bring the most important who keep the defenders of PSG, at bay, making it difficult for them to come for. Supporting Bakola. So I say, you know how dangerous Bakola, but if he's not getting the supply, he will not be effective. And this young man, who named your betting create, and after he left, apart from Lewandowski, 28 minutes, chance of Frankie de Jong, really, and then good one opportunity, Barca attack, there was 0.
There's one because one key leather weapon there, this boy. And I provide when they are in there, only Rafinha, I'm more good with. And the two of them can cut info, and he is the master passer of the ball. What do you say? Ojibo said no man that to me. If you first let's go Obre, you take him off, you've killed the game. So Xavi Nankasane this particular decision was the worst. At that point, no confused. The reason why some of us believes that he's a good top passer of the ball, excellent player, extraordinary player. But about coaching there, any Barcelona stand on the expectations of him. And this are the moment how good the coach is. These are the moment decisions how we take it tactics. No, then against 11 is not a big. It's not a big deal. Why not? We were playing so deep. Now come on, you can't continue doing that. But look, Ashraf Hakimi, I said they missed him the first leg. I mean, and now he was all over. He was all over. Mbappe, the fourth goal, and then check also Vitinha. Vitinha good. Look, Mbappe is a real deal. Miss Mbappe, sorry, Hakim is a real deal. But Mbappe, I thought what is important, he does what matters most.
I understand you.
But in terms of the game decided, Dembele, the most critical person in this champion is Dembele. What he can do, Mbappe cannot do.
Wow. When fit.
When fit. The alcohol way no say be here no be so. Azan no be say ata ni mami no ne
Suban.
Okay.
One of these days no, Jeff Makwanya. Ni mami ni from Mauritania. Oh no. I'm not doing no more
TV games
no, so the crime na ma bontin. In terms of the call Finland ko ye surgery bi. Nti omo de rubber bi share na on that on trase.
That's why
this boy nearly ruined this game. So I shall say no I problem because I shall say no so kind of Aubameyang story now. Or say Omba Dortmund he was forced to take him in.
Yes.
No come fee. No the no corner. Say the be control.
That's what thing.
And also worry Obano so we no nti sa TV game la line bi.
No man says here above match no. But let me tell you, look, Nico Sotabak is a real deal. I mean, Minnesota so draw with Numa about Germany, but that young man, Enra, Atletico game, he was a top player. Enra.
Atletico.
Oh, Enra. I mean,
better number 10.
Hey.
I was one
but listen, Enra, William
Ben how can I say no?
Me can Nico Sotabak. Oh, okay. Center back. He was central defender. He was top class. He was really top. Here. 48 million ni Angel Korea time it only Angel Korea ball bio ye paro. He was excellent. But Julian Brand, Marcel Sabitzer, Karim Adeyemi, Enra.
Sancho so bad crowd.
Oh yes, on your bad, but the ones who did the great job. Usher first goal now, for instance. First goal is called Matumas, a long ball. Who they say? Julian Brand. And then you have Karim Adeyemi, the Marcel Sabitzer. So they are here.
Sompa Sports.
William Bryan every so. Then there was a goal. If you look at their second goal, once again, Marcel Sabitzer, energy Bono, and Oma Ayamanche, the Dutch left back, Ebemu. Then he cut in full and shot a low drive beyond the reach of Jean Black. Then we Mubenya own goal, unfortunately, sad one. But Mario Hermoso did a fantastic job, and Matimas made a mistake in terms of clearing and I got tuning that. But if you look at the goal at that player now, or NBA Euro, no, a work away the day, Fulcrum. Once again, Julian Brand, Master Sabitzer. So one America, Julian Brand, Master Sabitzer, then Fulcrum, and then a header. What do I say? So if you look at it critically.
Yes.
So the cross was coming from Marcel Sabitzer. Superb. Yeah.
So
what I saw the German players who played yesterday.
First time I make a youth tournament of Portugal. I don't have any Jeff come and say, why are you fast with football boy? Show me.
We should no.
Because direction now directing it, you know, when you pass all the ball, last ball.
Oh, say a bob from at me hobo.
Yeah,
not done in the direction like back. Or more machine be on the ball, the shim say,
a bob like short.
But then it goes to show that Jeff, sub tournament we do is our stage we are. We have a chance, actually.
Yes, take your chance.
Now, Morata could have decided this game.
Look, he had 1v1 with Roger Kobel. 1v1.
And Angel Correa is a great player because ball no share no. Say Rodrigo Riquelme, a boy, and a Cobel di Baye, and then when he shot Ricochet Bano or ball a ball Matimasu, but he made sure say he followed up and then scored.
So Apostle quick one. Now why not qualify?
I'll go for City.
Okay.
City and Bayern.
Okay. Bishop.
I'll go for City and Bayern.
And then we call him Bayern.
What him say? And the Atlanta here in Subrino.
No, because I don't understand how Sanko from me need to make free men.
Yeah.
So then I can't some for you.
Because me Juma Basa ko born wa rain the nam say no Basa be qualify. Even with a man down crown still, but changing is a Vietnam say Yamna so na fe luta and fire referee na Wednesday yebeba na refugee came no squad na de GPL extra na ababeto so ama Genjimit dental clinic kase brana yenye dental implant ema yebe teeth whiten na fe ye teeth replacement o se tu na obese ye si wo cinema was de be si a wo be yi na wa clinic so de be si na fe bo ama oni nyina no ye Genjimit ana abeba so be so hye wo se ye braces afe ye scaling and polishing a banner say near kind of say so no be so shine silver and I say gold afe say bia wo se no atu kaka na ewo dodom yenya ne kama wa bra uti enwa obiema ne nyina na ye Genjimit e mo na botokoro e wo simu a ne nyina na ye betua e wa bra sa ya ne nyina no untibiem Genjimit e ye adwuma tachiman magazine kenten kwanos awo bono ana afe enkran e ye nungwa anasa atomic down kofodua wo eastern region so no ye ben central police station Takrade a pipe ano off Tadisco Junction enkane GN Bank komo premises so na afi make out say wudru aye kroman so a na Sabrepo Junction kwana wo fa so de akobantama high street no won sa aye nifa so wo tra total na build na bank e wa se sro ana Genjimit ebo 0598 405674 0559 139582 now on the Genjimit and so enkasa loser na be find here
nyame adumo na so e
nyame adon kakra many people wo bantama ho ahemfie ne mo no ma yaw okay ono so emo vendem se ono so show no dem se on fe dia program ma me hala no yes yaw
mesme de yaw
Sompa Sport
sir okay and e was see hia ne ye
yaw for de mpe ho asem kra
yaw for de ne mum ade ne ye ba ko pe
eno ye de hia
ibedi nko
e bia ne na menka ho
right yanhwe ensama do aboabo no enne anopai odwumadie so mfa mama na enura uram ewo kotoko adako jache complex wa enura nsempi
Bishop Hanena esa was one why am I
yan fansam no form ma ni nyina no se no akro bia kuma sasante kotoko na yenimsa so mo ye training na mo prepare ahead of Sunday Ghana Premier League match day 27 only the league leaders Samates and e was say omo de epem so na eno na yenimsa kotoko tim nka 3 p.m. and omo schedule san kombe training na omu kodru AJ complex wo around 250 na omu kodru no na kotoko supporters omu ye more than 50 omu de eko jan abo omu komo bi de abo omu nsa na omu eye dede ade omu ntiase de biara da ema team no ema training na de ya eno na omu so omu play so technical team o ho obiansi free pass no ema me training eno na mso owura ye friend Emmanuel Dasoberi esi form ekwane supporters ni kodi nkomo ema omo tiase esi players ni de omu ensi form no omra na omu no omu emra emedi nkomo kakra no omu hwe ampa nkomodie no koso na no kasa no panyine fe no eye Dr. Nete Ogum na oni ho na assistant fe ne David Oklo na oni ho na omu ne ontinura wo check ehwemu a na se team manager goalkeepers trainer Sansuna Imoro ene Mr. Sari ena na edit team no ewo basima na omo ba na omu nyina no supporters de biada yampene emamu nsi form na makwa training eno achi no ene Roma na apenka ene kontomponi afere ehene na se otimi ebaye ene supporters be 20 be shiaye edi nkomo kan bibi ekire omo ema supporters akuma etimi eba efom ekakra eno achi na ekwe eno ni playing body no ekwe show pitch no so edidi nkomo kakra ansa ene team no omudi mpapamu ama team no training no enya maso ansra team no ekọ babia omote team no koye no so no nanam na nso na pinka eno ye kontomponi afere hene team ko ne technical team any playing body ne ekọ meeting ekọ totoa no mama no mapi eso team ekọ ye ma bia kama reporter meeting na no pai ese nyame bo okira anopa no ndu uramu okumasi fikesema otikoko so yankase nana atonsa edia fra santi kotoko management no IMC no playing body ena osia tonsa da for the technical team eso momra onom ebehia meeting na meeting nchichemu nie enya de so onom nyina na ebebom aye meeting obehia playing body no ena omakasa omu wia no omukọ na technical team na ba no omu wia no omukọ na IMC no so ba na one omu so dinko na mum supporters ne de ekire meeting no omu nka ho de be piem bia no na kontomponi afare hene ebe communicate e de amom na bibia eso atima e fine na yenten sama no supporters a omu customi kotoko adako Jache Sports Complex ono ana omu training ground ono yenten sama omu de studio ni bi
Tokobas ana coach ye hiani bim coach no mu press no omu wo mu hiani bim my offer so ye no kokra ye hunu bi aha ye hunu bi that's 7 matches ye hunu bi your life history the boys no mean ball ba ogum no mu person ogum no mu mama ogum on be ba ma me tax like Sunday e nya ogum bi am ko ro fiatim ti so what wa fa ko e do ti ba ko won ko ku kwa de pa do ko to ko bi wo ku na mo ga de has papa division wo ni am sure ba ko ye nya li bi won ko ka we ba ne e ba stadium no
Asante Kotoko wote oba no wo se ogum ye bema ono wate nkubasi ato tai wate mango enti sa mango na bre na se bo a woni be baba suma tai ne aboba no na obepam ogum boba enu achi na pole si place be bo ama no no obegina touch line ama bia ye fine na enu achi na ekoye se Asante a uramu Asante mantam ha Kotoko circle se wo ha omo cham no da oma no ne mpasua so pe ena dia sintia no ura fa no Alexander Manu edi nkomo bisa so panyini die na si boy nchemu de asi o ka de na afa wa kire
tell me for the mechanic me bedu ha pra no supporters na boy ka glass misti from ko mama si ya pake ka be ka so ma me ampake ko pake wa gym no mo se bobo pam ya bought 20 ya bought 9 matches league matches second round ya win one ya do one 7 ya lose win na said the because you support it passionately no so they because you say right enye so lecturer now ma akura work over 27 no na 4 over 27 I think say you won't be happy with the student yeah why be na the but I say am we say by the supporters na kasa luckily enough na happen can so team one to be kai aba once Asante dey be a for pa ba kasa ma supporters so omo do ma se ma to me make je mo se ma mi je na nyama sem okay I was me jana na pen kanche e mo da sana to na pen kan ya so pass market na ko na kache mfa nti me na pen kan be taking on na ya pe asem to but there cost work to ya we say me time as regional chairman na asem be in fact me da me na
enu yan sama na se kotoko Ashanti regional ha circles no omo chairman na edisansem to do we na busa Mr. Alex wadaruma na money players ni ehia no so nsambai na mo de two omo nim dey na course so
the respect I have for the media I would have wish them no kind but the mechanic business room one trust reflect back to that na match so mabon won ko videos no movie on performance e mo dia ko once you hardly see some of these things say ya buy and penema we to the extent say team manager or he binya ya kan wa hina san e bundi no but say man no just team no people but say man no adentra the man ko yi what I say it in place na kasa say so from next Sunday come we should turn a new leaf.
And you sama or say omri 2A players in him. And what you have said na ogum so mo ye ne day and so enten sama Mr. Alex edit to Jaffa coach ogum
e bia na odinkanya information supporters meeting the meeting say asato Africa ni bi wa ha asato Africa e bi wa ha and on the media guys so e wa ha enti I don't even know how our media guys be at CSB say the course of medicine. I said, Modabu Vivian, it could be some movie and one report way. I also tell another say, open the day. What I say, and might be one at the Wama.
Na se di entiano ogum ene na assistant David Oklo o man no na se ase omunya information se boys na ni abre ebi abo eko jan kobne ebi asfa ebrisi ni kuntunkuni ese oba ma so beti ntesu kokko no so enunti ena wa ma no na no chi na wura mu a asantimentem a kotoko cycle se wa ha omu chairman Alex Manu kase no na be di akire Patrick eso ekase se di omu hunu ye no supporters no say this year.
So they are telling us, so in fact, say I'm coach in the any your money your fans no be say omonche ya man ya ma do say because bia na ya come mo down and say enough is enough you see your manager ya no mo kasa ya kulu so mo nyanto kwase you see no asimo mo ka kire ya ne say coach die so see training grounds so had there any asempa
coach eba hodia enye asempapa na ye wie no eno owura fa no Ben Nunu Mensa ohwe Ghana Olympic Committee on a president where shareholder ewo Accra to folk ono so kasa wo se na da bia o dadweno won ta se na akotokofo yaboka hasefo so ba yaboka na ono de odwene ho a won ta se ntie Ben Nunu Mensa shareholder Hartlefolk
and why a club like Accra has so folk and then maybe Kumasi Asante Kotoko in our current environment to be posting losses? Is it because we are not branding ourselves well? Is it because we are not marketing ourselves well? That is something that I would want to charge the new board to do. But we need to look at how we're branding Accra House of Hope.
Enu yensema odi tudwa yede emam no nyina so na nsema odo a yeboaboa no ene anopai wo full time dwumadie so yemfansia na fancy any team no emfa de aka nyina nto aso mam se fancy na GPL extra
referee GK menu aba
mabanti
awo ye be hwem
decisions bi ankrofo bi nti omo ase no no mase aba no mabesua de na
Sompa sports
to atumi atwa
araho de no ayebema na hwe wo ye ba call break na basisiane mom Fibo Ventures makacho say womo e wo pose gole no open no mani bi atu na waton wana sempo wo open dudu ma to bi akwa kogufie se de be ya wo so betimi ayisu acha Fibo Ventures womo the toothbrushes and the toothpaste anaba ya wo Ashford Prince e yakwada be man dia Ashford Princess e yo baba no so e dia anafe Ashford Evidence Executive Ashford Friendly anafe Galaxy ni nyina no wo betwi se Jumapa, omo toothpaste and so Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste, Get Clear toothpaste, yenim Jumedia, aloe vera, edimeni pediano, yeri bi aye toothpaste, edi abedjasu nti yawo aloe toothpaste, ewo anafi peppermint ediano, and also dear say Jumenti Mr. Jasua, Yaka so be pebi, and so out of household, you know, I was someone you would choose Yano Pauchina Numeno, a bois emonum sham, uyobia brashu tita, wo gum, any one Janutiana Moja, fusia se ba fibo de no ebeboa ama nneoma so besesa bibia be kama enso ama o pebia tu atonwa aida sa wo frɛ 0200 600 934 and I say 0241 545646 now what you de do juma yen komra Betway regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Betway say bomodian twa bet and so much as no muntwa now Betway so come mo vende bia oben ho say obeso ye depositor ye nyitaku enye sempoa ye free and to fraska eto account no mo ne twa bet ne di udi ya pano betua sika no e di ato account no unya twa ubedi titwa ne di www.betway.com.gh na emwa ema sika semono enso enya brand yes yemfa yen commercials ne embraces ya
Hey sewa me hu wacho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afraid na mebeko. Nenkrata krani.
Hey, any me connection man for den kofo sika dwane ne wanyo tshedi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti. According to IF4, opese otu kwan kosua de a Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to ana se visiting so a Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention Akwa Kumasi as a labor runabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more Ahomacho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha time HH heba Mr. Bina Unumi and ya what dropa a ya draw say a manipedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare and train yare and san wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono. Wonwa and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso. Akra wenye mfisia dumienu enumbi. Wopemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enumbi. Time HH heba Mr. Who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop dodo na mu.
So pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH heba Mr. Ejadro say FDA agye ejwadie nkratue atum.
The ones that now have from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Ninya Ashford dear. That's so evident no way.
Who that the evidence by? Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya mokumi. Ashford Princess. And now bra could you dear so Ashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now media no so Ashford Friendly.
That Ashford toothbrush.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow do me ye than the beer aquasisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na Kofabe Dasso. It's to phone for 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon me.
If I shall be a shot, you will bag me.
And not to him.
What time about me? She see about Queen Wayne and say,
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy fear for any idea about ever so.
Really, don't this offending now.
Bra, some because me the time about Mr. Huadancia. We are seeing now a better maker. It is malaria. Where do any time about Mr.
I know go, dear, no matter want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink, I near ma or bar waffle through. Dear Wama for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Draby. no hwɛ sɛ wakɔ hospital anaasɛ lab ama wahu sɛ wowɔ agyidie malaria yi bi ansa
ayo sɛ time ne yɛ TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi ada ne ziva ɛwɔ mu no yɛbɛtua wobɛnya bi atɔ ɛwɔ over the counter medicine sellers ɛne herbal shop dodoɔ naa mu FDA agye edwadue nkratoe ato
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet.
I'm not for now.
In the middle, you've got all the control, with cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Passion Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
And you might see.
Enipa baako pɛ ɛna pamade ɛhyɛ wo a obi ahyia wo a wɔsan hwɛ obi mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no wɔasua nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yi adwuma ɛni sɛ ɔdwidwi style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhɔme bafo polo no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ biara nti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts round neck shirts golf shirts v-neck shirts ɛne pii ɔpam atufoɔ bɛtu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques enti sɛ wo so wonyɛ adwuma a bɛtu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma wo churches fan clubs schools unions ɛne ɛkuro biara wohia dodoɔ no ɛde ma mo members no ɛne mo students no mo mmra mo nso a mopɛ Friday wear ɛde ama mo workers bafo polo ɛtwɛn mo ɔwɔ gold package ɛno ntade no ɛhyɛ mu aduo mu silver package ɛhyɛ mu dunum ɛna bronze ɛnso hyɛ mu du ɔyɛ delivery ɛkɔ ɔma mu afa na baabia bafo polo ntade no nso yɛhyɛ kɔ baabia na wɔpam ama ɛne mmarima nyinaa bafo polo ɛwɔ Kumasi ahenema kɔkɔbɛn santase na ɔboase kwan no so telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram Facebook Twitter TikTok and so you're at Bafo Polo me say so we say Bafo Polo dia oh and you now we say
welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near general art, science, business, no more kahon. Ever St. Andrews SHS, I had dinner ever pass. Or send one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No first one was yachting. St. Andrews, Riviera, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Harry Chanabati, pick up from say, what did you from SHS 1, 2, and 3? St. Andrews SHS, what branches Big Piero or Ghana? Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, Koskula Wooden, Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Wo yemre na fe yene referee GK menu emrameto aso yeba behwe GPL extra no enso munimum telecell ese yemfanto wonim se network ni enie se we network back kwa Ghana ni bia so do ho eto so sanse network no enye ni se bia wo to credit keke na de aye kwa na se bia wo ye bundle na wo dia browser dru ba bia so mutimi to omanim emma entu kai na no ye ba se Ghana ha ye bi fire na no kakra bi na obi adwane so telecell kwade na nyoma aye France se internet na ba nyoma aye first e wa Brameka se mobile no so ene chese broadband e wo fie onyumam ene dia kan nyina ye secure 100% internet capacity e wo so ene wachi wo ye telecell cash now the send discount so e call yente a chese nyina na ye ne pa aye telecell e wo enso edemau telecell connecting energies omadaroma ye to aso Kulun Ghana Limited so aye China phone pa omedebadwaso we no enye drobia keke sanse China for no wo so nu bina no mo ha manager se nuane hini ana o maka mom dia ye nro ede abenu no badwaso nye ne achepa na obi a wono bibia so kaso odi adanse acherewa obon Sompa China for no eye adwuma ye wa dread fan se Mr. Q no se wo ye bema wo sexual weakness wo severe waist pain sama wo kotodwa no dabia no yana epopo esanse yawo ewom wo low libido ana se slow erection wo premature premature ejaculation untimi nyina so wakɔ baako kra wie ne sɛ bɛyɛ bɛsɔre am wakɔ 2 na akɔ bibia ho a wadro no ɛyɛ Mr. Kill afei bɛma odwo so a na ɛba pio afei odwo so a wadwo so wie kra wo ka wade di ahyɛ wo shorts mu no na ɛsɛ so egu kyɛ boxes mu afei wobɛsɛ wo bɔ wo prostate enso ho ban na enlargement ama woyɛ bɛma na wodwo so bɛma mu ɛyɛ ɔyɛ emu hyehye wadro no ɛyɛ hunchu capsules ana bɛboa wo ba wadro betimi aboa wo amo ho siesie akɔ kama wadro bɛboa mo ba unka agi ɛne wush ɛwɔ mpam na mo wobɛtimi agye wo ama wura ababia so kon bɛdɔw no ɛyɛ drip finance araba bazen tablet no ɛna bɛyi ne ɛka ne sɛ menstrual pains ɛne menstrual disorders ɛde afuru ɛbɛboa wo ama ba watimi ate da wo mpam tie basa wo so timi dane bɛma no na wo so ayɛ onwoma bɛsɛ wo yɛ ɛwɔ mpam na bibia so ayɛ fine ɛyɛ 0244 275429 0206 271016 Bafu Polo na hona abekwa akwaji African print or the apam v-neck or the apam round neck or the apam polo shirt and it's just a golf shirt Bafu Polo sanu efepa na de ba kokra efen say who place you order na ubenya watchna na mum companies and schools amopam Friday wear mopam Wednesday wear amobese mu place mu orders no sentade ne more than 2000 and asempo ebi over 2000 da enche kra acha na otwebese ba kokomino na chese mon saka mon tade ne nyina Bafu Polo say men can trust say mama besa mo ya mo pre wedding shoot utimi yebi wo pam emema de wo pam ema de atade no so no bo na efo e wo fom abroche fo no nsin fom a te say the bia so mo so place mo all the say ni enti ba bia wo bia na emfa no so be frɛ no place you all the Bafu Polo emema mo saka atade no wudru ahenema kokobina off Santase kwan ne so aye 0249 600 789 0599899919 Bafu Polo ebejo so mo be se mutu kwa kwatwa mo nyuma so ewa manone say obiama ne bag so anu okwa Canada obiama ne bag so anu okwa UK anasa US ebi musu do muti doma e Australia ebi so ko New Zealand and ebi so ko Germany baby abeso ko bia na Express Group Express ese omodo be ko visa ensensem e ba ne ticket na fei mo besa mo ko to mo besa mo ko di holidays du baby a ye twa ho bra wono oba ne nkwada ne nyina ko di holidays bibia be fine Express Group ese nurse for no and midwives no udru manonia obi kasika wajene 1 hour enso awo juke echero a yembe show etie bia dako ne sika obenya no so oye adwuma 12 hours a de bia benya no be se bosumi mienu ha adwe o so ne nyina adwuma ba ko ya na mo yo mo kra san wa akade a emo adwuma ne kosoro enti mo requirement ne nyina na ayot no mo na de obefam ama school for no so SAT and GRE obeso bomb masters awa abroad obeso to suku so ko university awa manonia woni Express Group empany for enkasa kumase ya womo asafo labor runabout afin crime womo Kaneshi First Light and odu takra den so a aye market circle omo any hot and stove fast food edi enem hwe sunyane aye silver house omo ben ayade se court no ana afa bibia ni so omo ben court no 0555550067 0249 000448 na empanfon enjoy so me for so way na minjemu emma meza we 21st clinic na adeba kwa fene say 21st clinic apart from say obi agitum say ye expert in sciatica entini the free aye chiso sisim connected aba wo to ase eba usirem achi ho wo 9 koko mo 92 eba wo 9 piana sa tentene si form no eba wo nantini se mo twetwon emu tutu emu ya entini timi ya wo japa ma wo jonwanje apart from say to ase ama no over 21st clinic ya besa sa ya de fruit ebesi onama reso esanse ya de abefo machines aba machine treatment ye bi awe ya so ye ho ya be massage body na ma kama ultra model laboratory ana ultra scan aye services ni nyina no ye run bi ewo ho ye over 15 branches awo Ghana ya branch ba ko Domi market awo Nkran ba ko awo council quarters court junction awo
Boise, Kumase Ayesha overseas junction. Yabe Alpha Radio na fe Sunyane and Kranza and a Techiman. Aye 0540 311 311 0249 311 311. Now 21st clinic and Perifono and so and Joso Meza
Fancy. Bibia shedi ya say share biem. Aha, ya ba ne aba.
Okay.
Aha, na this time around there a GPL extra ho dwumadie na ye ba bedi. Said ye ne unya nkitahudie echeche nyoma mu ema unya ntease ani hunumu efa Ghana Premier League no abrebia ye bebo match week bia no enu nti ana ene ye saso ba begina ha no ma ye no e ba betwetwe san komo no ne amonya hunumu wo de ekoso the see numbers be a tan BBH etimi ma clubs be performance etimi kosuru nyina no aha ene de be ma on the GPL extra iti emre da enim de ka me ho na yenim komo ne resu a referee ene Ricardo Vaz e ba betena se no ma pense mu no ma biebie mama kwa e fa so a player bi ho ka obi a e ma ne card kwa e fa so a penalty bi ye dey e baaye na referee amonya entiase ene hunumu e fa yago kensi a yesi no ana e bono e wo klum ase na fancy ye sha ase a after match week 26 ya bobo results no susu ni table no so even an opera ne de keka kwa anim nyina ya bobo so it ye sha ase de free man of the match awards I call so after match week 6 and I say about match day 26 your boss how match day 26 ni one man na man of the match award and I the ma omo na eno ne hwa summer text ni brekum Chelsea boy no Evans or say Busu and na eje man of the match Accra House of Folk and Kerala United a boy no Michael Ampedu and eje man of the match Kamadini Mamudu eje man of the match between Mediama and Legon Cities. And Ebenya Francis Aqua say onoje man of the match between Bechem United and Rotamale United. Foster Apetobo young boy na any ye interview chebe oko high school si academy so atreman no. Omone anan so atreman any great Olympics esi akan Foster Apetobo ene nya akonya eje man of the match. Emmanuel Boahen player me do 2 years said this is when you find season there ma a nations FC pa no between Omone Bofakwa United no and Bofakwa Tano FC no ono NJ man of the match Alex Boache Adriana FC ne Heart of Lions ono NJ man of the match Shokan Hunaf Mohammed Accra Lions any Gold Stars SC ono ene born no modern 8 man of the match na yanko general statistics a PMU ewo match week 26 mu. After match week 26, Fancy Di Maria matches ni na kwakoye 232 matches aniabo in the Ghana Premier League. 232 matches. Home wins 135. Okay. Away wins 37. The gap between home wins and away wins. Emu waye pa. Draw abemu makumaku 60. Goals aba league ni mu afu we Fancy 469, which means approximately no strike average now. Match biaya mo bia no betimenya 2 goals e that particular match an improvement upon last season games and here no Ghana Premier League mu. Home goals ejina 313 goals, away goals ejina 156, first half goals na 221, second half goals na 248. That means ya chem by chemuna ya chen kakra bi na bro so a second half goals na wodo na timi starting game na first half na goals at IPM own goals makumako wotwen 8 penalties aba Ghana Premier League ni afiwe mu 47 emu 38 ani abode atonet. That means players na say penalties pa we read these particular statistics are the mamu penalties amafo asani ni gina makumako 9, then yellow cards 827 Fancy, which means referees episode we instill discipline in our leagues by a players na also musunya abotre kakra 827 now her match is 232. Fancy is around 2.5 to 3 yellow cards per every single gamer yebebo Ghana Premier League. The red cards age na 37. With these are the general statistics of the Ghana Premier League. Standing games e wom dey Fancy e to once any anya media ma obo Africa kakra dreams obo Africa kakra it's a standing game mienu ene wo ho e de mo ye had different statistics e be most clean sheet keepers are concede do na say teams so keep clean sheet na no and normally keepers so that post new play massive role take a clean sheet and the goalkeepers no and the two one ne monitor nya hwe statistics na back your ya ka say wey and at the end of the season, you know, occupy clean sheet bebre. Nipo di kan Benjamin Asare, Accra Great Olympics, 13 clean sheets. Obin Setre Gregory, I don't know Brukum Chelsea, 11 clean sheets. Felicien Omediama, 10 clean sheets. Emmanuel Kobe, I don't know Bofakwatano, 10 clean sheets. Anna Kofi Ba, I was Samatex, 10 clean sheets. If you clean sheet, in so near Remo team, I want drop a few league in him. It's fancy. You check list here, the screen is our top 10 teams are. You can say, Homo, the draw masters. Kasomon draw matches here 1-1 0-0 2-2. The only kind of Bofakwatano 12 matches and our draw. House of Folk 11 matches, Heart of Lions 10 matches, Karela 9 matches, Olympics 9 matches, Gold Stars 8 matches, Ubenya Bechem United 8 matches, Dreams FC 7 matches, Mediama 6 matches, Accra Lions 6 matches in terms of teams are Omabo draw do league in him. Most goals scored, team men actually goals do league in him. Fancy Adriana Stars. Almost 37 goals in the Ghana Premier League. Samatex Tosumienu almost 36 goals. Gold Stars are 34. Nations are 30. Accra Lions are 30. Bechem United are 30. RTU are 27. House of Folk are 27. Dreams FC are 26. Karela are 24. Where is Kotoko? Teams almost goals to do Ghana Premier League. Near team or most wins. Samatex 12 home wins. Adriana 12 home wins. Nations 9 home wins. Accra Lions 9 home wins. Mediama 9 home wins. Bechem United 8 home wins. Become Chelsea 8 home wins. Gold Stars 8 home wins. Legon Cities 7 home wins. Anna Insuatremai 7 home wins. Fancy. Then clubs on Malusu match do na. Out to you Elusu 15 matches this season in the Ghana Premier League. Ghana Stars Elusu 12. Ghana Stars Elusu 12 home and I will lose 12 games in the Ghana Premier League. Heart of Lions Elusu 11, Lagos City Elusu 11, Asante Kotoko Elusu 11 games in the Ghana Premier League this season. Karela United Elusu 10, Bekum Chelsea Elusu 10, Iswatima Elusu 10, Mediama Elusu 9, Accra Lions so Etimi Elusu 9. Now fancy. Yansha the red card table when it comes to the Ghana Premier League. I'm saying Legon City Simranti the red card need the Omofane kwa because Omonkwanya 6 red cards. Iswatima Kuta 4 red cards. Bechem United 4 red cards. Olympic 3 red cards. Kotoko 3 red cards. Karela United 3 red cards. Mediama 2 red cards. Nations FC 2 red cards. Bekum Chelsea 2 red cards. Gold Stars 2. Dreams FC 2. Bofakwatano 1. RTU 1. Heart of Lions 1. House of Folk 1. 35 players and a team added red cards in the Ghana Premier League this season. 2 coaches and added red cards in the Ghana Premier League season. I remember if you said the last one was Coach Dr. Prosper Teogum for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Red cards direct. And I say, because a direct idea man is straight red card. And yellow card me no ayakabo so. It is straight red cards no. Makumako 14. The akabom say yellow me no ayakabo me dia mo bi no. And no Makumako 23. Now fancy. I'm say na ni bre yaba. Yan hwe title chasers no omo points ekuto omo ne positions omo gina. Any matches akadi omo anim. Samatex leading league no. Nations to sumi na Ghana to sumi ensa. And also statistics amabobo suri nyina anye nations e aduana e Samatex in terms of goals scored, home wins, we get omo mi ensa na. It goal difference region 16 49 points for Samatex. Omo de dikan. Second year Nations FC 11 goal difference, then over 44 points, 42. So difference between Nations and Samatex 5 points. The next game some Boboni. Samatex ebo Kotoko away, Obo Olympics, Obo RTU away, Obo Bofakwa home. That means you can't hear the home and away record ni jina fancy entranity. Obo home matches 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 home matches for Samatex in their next games aka. 4 home matches. Also about 34 games. Our league me about 26. It fancy. Aka 8 games. 8 games, you know. About 4 home matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No about away so 4. Away no. Oko Karela. Nilalugu. Echiwo. No ako Heart of Lions. No about Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Okay. No ako RTU. Oba Nations are. Nations home games are kano. 1, 2, 3. Nations were 3 home games per ebo. Obotia Bechem, Obotia Lions, Obotia Gold Stars. 5 away games for Nations FC. Tough for them. Then Stars home games 1, 2, 3. On also so about 3 home games, 5 away matches. That means to check here Samatex and the advantage of having 4 home games, 4 away games are almost 2 among your Maya Premier League number team. Top 5 penalty goal scorers. Steven Amankona, fancy. Pampe, Dodona was as another about Kotokona. 5 goals in terms from the penalty spot for Steven Amankona. Saka double for Kwatano or 3, Ebenezer Aban or 3, Asamoah Boateng or 2, Anna Evans or Say Capito as well 2. Top 5 goal scorers in the Ghana Premier League. Steven Amankona the top 8. Top scorer.
So 5 penalties. I know what fancy be 7 goals.
7 goals open play. Steven Amankona.
Go penalty ya Jim Obi mo bottle.
Yeah, Jim Obi mo bottle twene. Asana Hamza Isa with injuries in 11. Asamoah Boateng free Nations FC was 10. Then Evans Osei Wusu eso 10 na Mukwala. Hwe omo top ne na he omo teams ni baby omo deda. Fancy. And na see movie on quickly. Yanko hwa de bi na me fe no NC. Eno ye battle for survival. Teams no more pre-relegation, no fancy. Karela 16th, minus 9, 30 points. Heart of Lions 17th, minus 5, 25 points. Out to you 18th, minus 18 goals, 25 points. Home matches to play for Karela 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 home matches, 4 away matches. 4 Heart of Lions 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 home matches, 4 away matches. Then out to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 home matches, 4 away matches. Fancy. Ti omunyina no pepepe in terms of the advantage for home and away games. So up to them. Somebody may secure more place for the league next season.
Okay, what me da say pass out the GPL extra first phase na buy second phase no so na Ricardo Vara sene retired refugee came no atwa so e minimum Ghana gross adwumadi me say we youth oba na say bema e so pay bibi eye mentena say e mom nkom mansa ma matu e wo fie nye say adwumani wo kra na ntina ma me ma sa number e wo say wo frɛ wo embrace opportunity e agriculture technical agribusiness and vocational skills ebeboa ye be sama ye skills training bia be here counseling and guidance ni nyina ye de be ma ye Mastercard Foundation ne Springboard Roadshow Foundation and a Limehouse number no 0308 2557